Hello, it's so good to be on the other side of Adobe Live. I'm usually behind the scenes, making sure everything is good. Adobe Firefly has a new beta feature called Quick Video Cuts. I think the biggest use case for this would probably be for social media, for people that don't even know how to use Premiere, but have some footage that, say, a team kind of handed to them. It's basically like a mini Premiere inside of your Chrome browser. Click on this little Quick Cut function, and you can describe, you can prompt what kind of video you want to create. Okay, so I wrote, create a compelling video featuring this home using the audio of the people talking on camera. And I'm gonna hit create, and we're gonna see what it does.
Hi everyone, this is Greg, and I'm out on the quintessential tree-lined street in Los Gatos. This home has been completely remodeled and completely rebuilt.
It cut out all of these little, pauses and him walking back, and it overlaid all this B-roll we shot on top just by a prompt. We can kind of trim it up from there. I'll trim this B-roll here, go back to him talking. I mean, that's usually what takes the most time as a video editor, is just like kind of going through the selects, finding things in focus, finding things there, taking out pauses. Crazy. Anyone can edit now, so never feel intimidated. I took some of the footage that I shot of some properties, and I wanted to see what prompting could really do, because we've been using Nano Banano, where you can generate images. So you can take an image like this and you can say, can you make this twilight? Can you turn these lights on? And it'll generate something like this. To the point that, people used to pay companies to do this, and now you can just prompt it and do it yourself. I know it's hard to believe because this looks actually real, but none of this is real. This is AI generated. It even has the camera shakes. Like, I would honestly want to warp stabilize this footage, because I'm like, it feels like a human was walking and there's like a little bit of camera shake in here.
So those top images are images that you took in real time on location with your client?
Yeah.
And then
this is a drone shot, this is a regular shot, and then we use Nano Banana. And to deliver, these are actual delivered final images that you're able to use. The twilight shot, the daytime shot, and I generated this. And I was like, wow, like this is pretty close to usable.
wait, even the counters and the depth?
It got it right. I mean, look at the lights in here.
Yeah, that's crazy.
The biggest thing I'm worried about is, in a professional use case, you don't want to be misrepresenting the house. And so things, maybe could be a little bit off, like these plants are different. And so like, what if you just said AI generated in the bottom, and you just made note that it is, artificially different, but it still is getting the concept and the lifestyle that you're going for. Dip to white, like voila.
It's so good.
And voila.
Wait, I forgot that that's a video that you generated. I just thought we were adding in a video that existed.
Is that not crazy, right?
No, that actually is insane.
It looks epic. I mean,
It's a little pizzazz.
it doesn't even look fake.
That's amazing.
That's so cool. Let's go 160 times, and it's just fade away. And that's the end of the video. Wow. That's so cool. It looks real. And I'm just going to add 2 points here. Command click, drag this down so it fades out.
But thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.
Bye, y'all.